Hello everybody! So this video is going to be a little bit different than normal. I just kind of wanted to sit down and talk with you guys while I just kind of get ready, put some makeup on. I will have everything that I use linked in the description box below just in case you see a product that maybe you're interested in. But I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about my thoughts on the clean beauty industry, just kind of how I've been feeling. Recently I feel like maybe my content isn't really interesting you guys. I don't know. So I'm just gonna sit down, talk, get ready. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. I'm gonna put some foundation on because I've been getting a lot of breakouts. I was on vacation, socially distanced vacation, and I wasn't eating the best, so my skin is kind of breaking out. I don't even know if I know where to begin. I feel like a lot of the times, like as a content creator, I need to always be talking about what's new so that you guys can kind of, I don't know, stay up to date with the new products. But the clean beauty industry, while I've only been on YouTube for I think like a year and a half now at this point, so not super long. I know that clean beauty was already being talked about quite a bit when I started or when I created this channel, but I feel like clean beauty is just, it's becoming a lot more of a thing now. Like more people are just starting to learn about it, and so you're seeing it in more stores now. Like when I first started, you couldn't get it in Sephora, you couldn't get it in Ulta, and now clean beauty is in those stores. So I think that that's super cool, super awesome. But I also find that new products are just being released a lot more often, and it's super fun to try new products. But I'm a small channel, so I am so grateful. I do get quite a bit of free products to review and try out for you guys, and I'm always honest with my opinions. I don't see the point in giving you a fake opinion. But what I was trying to say is that I feel like it's kind of hard to stay up to date with all of the new launches because I cannot afford to keep buying all of the new products, as I'm sure many people cannot keep buying new products. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if I am not always coming out with videos about new product releases, it's simply because I can't afford to purchase it myself. So I worry that if I'm not keeping up with new products, that maybe my content won't interest you. Sometimes I feel hesitant to talk about like older products just because I don't know if you guys want to hear about it. So, I mean, if you guys do want to continue to hear about products, even if they're not necessarily new or new launches, definitely let me know. Like, I want to know what type of videos you guys want to see. Do you want to see more makeup looks, even if it's not featuring all new products? I mean, just, do you want to see more review videos? I feel like I've been doing a lot of review videos recently, and maybe those aren't interesting you guys as much, and that's totally fine. If they're not, let me know, because of course I want to be creating stuff that you guys are actually interested in watching. And I do still want to make videos talking about new releases and stuff like that, but I just want to know if you guys are still interested in seeing other content if I'm not always able to get my hands on new products. Although, speaking of new products, this product from Thirdlove Beauty, I think it was actually released quite a while ago, but it was more recently added to one of my favorite clean beauty websites, which is Integrity Botanicals. And I don't know if you guys saw that video, but I did a video all about what's new at Integrity Botanicals, and this product was featured in it. So I'm really excited to have this and to be trying this out. I've actually been using this a super lot this summer. A super lot. Nice English. I've been using this a lot this summer. Super quick, like stick it in your purse, setting powder just to have on hand. But this is the Thirdlove Beauty. This is their Vita Set translucent powder. It comes with a brush just built on it, so it's really nice for traveling. Alright, so something else that I want to talk to you guys about is product reviews. So when I give product reviews, I'm simply just wanting to talk to you guys about like my thoughts on products, but the thing is, I never want you guys to feel like you have to buy a product, and I want you to really feel like I'm selling you something. I don't really like the idea of trying to sell you something, because sometimes I feel like that's just disingenuous, and I always want to be the most genuine and the most sincere when I'm talking about products, when I'm giving my thoughts about product, but I never want to make you feel like you have to purchase a product, like your life will just be totally changed if you purchase a certain product, because I mean, how life-changing can a makeup product really be? Like, sure, they can be really nice and you can really enjoy them, but they're not necessarily necessities. That's the word. They're not necessities. Sure, they're fun to play with and they're fun to have, but they're not always necessities, especially if we're talking about like a super expensive product. Sometimes I like to talk about more luxurious brands, and those are expensive and they're not necessities. They're just fun, and that's really my purpose when I'm talking about them. I'm telling you my thoughts on them so you don't have to go out and purchase a super expensive product without learning more about it. So I just want to tell you like my thoughts on it, if I really think it's worth the price or not. But either way, like I never want you guys to feel like you have to purchase a product. That's not what I want my channel to be. I don't want to be selling you guys things. I just want to be giving you my honest opinion and to hopefully help you guys figure out if you want to purchase certain products, but also just to have fun and talk about beauty because I really enjoy it. Anyway, I don't know. So what are your guys' thoughts on the clean beauty industry? Do you feel like there are too many products coming out? Do you feel overwhelmed by it? Do you ever feel like you have to have what's new? Because I honestly do find, I kind of feel that pressure, like I always have to be talking about what's new so that I can, you know, interest you with the content that I'm making. Do you enjoy seeing the new product reviews, or do you not really care about that stuff as much just because maybe you're not going to be purchasing it? Let me know, because again, I want to make stuff that I know you guys want to watch. Look at this palette. This is the Pacifica Eye Magic, the Animal Eye Magic palette. Super, super pretty palette. Again, you don't need this, but it is super fun. I have not been reaching for it super often, but I have been wanting to reach for it. It's because I tend to go for super simple, just plain looks. I haven't really gotten into doing bold looks. You guys should definitely let me know if you want me to try to create more bold looks, because the shades in here are really pretty and I definitely want to play around with them more. I'm gonna try to play around with it right now, because why not? I did a swatch video for this palette, just swatching all the shades. I didn't even talk in the video. I literally just swatched all the shades if you guys are curious and just seeing all of the shades. I'm also just kind of feel like I'm in a little bit of a rut with my channel. Like I don't know what content to create. I don't know what videos you guys want to see. So that's where I really want to improve. I want to improve on actually making stuff that you guys want to see. I'm gonna take this super pretty bright blue color right here. This is the shade Hummingbird. It looks gorgeous. I'm sorry about this camera setup. The lighting was just not the best with my normal background. Also, what kind of background do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer just like this type of background? I've done one where you can kind of see my vanity. And I also have ones where it's just like a blank background. Sometimes I feel like those ones are just easier to see the actual like makeup application when it's just that blank background. But I don't know, what do you guys prefer looking at when you see my videos? I feel like I look insane. I'm not used to doing bold looks like this. Hopefully when I get it all put together, it'll look better. But this is a really, really pretty blue shade. Let's ask some clean beauty questions. So what is clean beauty? So you guys definitely let me know your thoughts on what you think clean beauty really is in the comments. So personally, to me, when I think clean beauty, I'm thinking about products that use safer ingredients, and by that I mean ingredients that aren't known to be potentially harmful, no harsh chemicals. I never want to scare you guys or make anybody feel guilty if you're not using clean beauty products. And by talking about clean beauty, I just want to, you know, talk about products that are known to have better ingredients, safer ingredients. And by no means am I perfect. Not all of the products are 100% super clean, and clean beauty definitely has quite a few different definitions. Different people take it in a more serious way when they look at ingredients, and some are more lenient. So it's really just a personal preference. To me, it's personally just trying to be aware of the ingredients that are in my products, just not wanting to use ingredients that can potentially be harmful. So those are my thoughts on that. Definitely let me know what you guys consider to be clean beauty. I'd love to know, because it's very interesting to see or hear different people's perspectives. If you're new to clean beauty, it can honestly be quite overwhelming, because clean beauty brands sometimes are not transparent. Some companies might not meet the standards that you're specifically looking for, so you really have to do research yourself to figure out if certain brands meet the requirements that you personally want to look for or find in your beauty products. And oftentimes I have been finding that, or at least recently, I've really been noticing that a lot of brands are really just using clean beauty as a marketing tactic, and it's really sad that that's happening, but it's happening, and a lot of brands are saying that they're clean beauty when they're really not all that clean. So just be aware of what things you're looking for, what requirements you want certain brands to have, and do the research. Unfortunately, you got to do the research. But also, hopefully, my channel can help you sometimes, even though I don't really normally go super in depth about ingredients. And that's just because I don't want to get too technical about ingredients. Yeah, I mean, that's really just the main thing, is I don't want to get too technical about ingredients, though I personally do look for products that have safe ingredients. I might not be as strict as you might be, so it's really just a personal thing. This mascara from 100% Pure smells really good. It smells like berries. It's their fruit pigmented mascara. It smells really good. So while I'm here talking about all these things, I want to kind of open things up. If you guys have any questions that you want to ask me, either about clean beauty, about me, just in general, I'd be happy to do a Q&A for you guys if that's something that would interest you. Just let me know. Leave your questions in the comments below, and if I have enough questions, then I'll definitely be open to doing a Q&A video about that. I can do like a get ready with me and Q&A, answering you guys' questions. So go ahead, leave me a comment. Don't be shy, don't be nervous to ask. Anything clean beauty related, anything sustainable fashion related, because I'm wanting to get into that as well. Anything maybe you're curious about me, feel free to ask. Let's pop some highlighter on here. I love this highlighter. It's really pretty. I've been using it all summer. So pretty. It's from the brand Venics Organics. So pretty. Love this highlighter. So I think that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's different than what I normally post, but let me know if you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you guys are new here, I'm so happy that you joined me today. I would absolutely love it if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So thank you all for watching today's video, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.